Okay. So, okay, guys. So, by seeing yesterday discussion, we can conclude it, right? We can conclude one things, right? What we can conclude it now? What we can conclude it now? Okay. So, means what? Just what is the difference between what is that JPA and a data JPA, right? JPA, because yesterday we seen that, right? What we seen that? Just I'm giving question, right? Question. One question is there. One question is there. What is difference? What is difference between JPA and what? JPA and what? Data JPA.
Hmm.
Is it same? Is it same? Answer what? Whenever we are performing what JPA, just JPA, right? JPA, JPA is given by whom, guys? JPA is given whom? Sun, nothing but what? Oracle. Oracle people is given, right? Can we, whenever we are working using what is that JPA, we have need still XML? Yes, we have need XML file, right? XML file. In Hibernate, yesterday we seen that, right? We wrote, after then what is that? After then what we have need to do now? We have need to write explicitly all methods, right? But data JPA? What about data JPA? What about data JPA? This one is given by whom? Spring Boot. Spring Boot, right? Here, what is that? XML file need? No. What is need? Property file. Here, what is need? Property file, right? Here, what is that? All method, whatever operation we have need to define. What is that? We have need to define all method explicitly? No. All method is given by whom? All method, whatever operation is there, those operation to perform those operation who's given by that method? Data JPA only, right? Data JPA only. So okay, fine. Now one more question now, guys. Okay. Hey Manjulata, good afternoon. I think yesterday session you are not there, right?
Yes, I did, sir.
Okay, no problem. So okay, so another question is what? Question number 2, right? Question number one more question. What is the okay? What is the difference between what is the difference between what is the difference between what? Between JPA, right? JPA and what? And what? Data JPA. JPA. Answer is what, guys? Anyone can tell? Just analysis I want from you people. Unmute yourself. Someone is if need, then unmute. I tell you, mute yourself. Okay, no problem, guys. We are here, right, to learn, right? So, Sun JPA, right? Sun JPA is a specification, guys. Specification. JPA is a specification. Who is the given? Who is the given to perform? To perform what? To perform what? To perform what? Database operation, right? What? DB operation. What? DB operation using what? Using what? ORM, right? Using what? ORM. ORM, right? ORM, any framework, right? ORM means what? Hibernate, right? Just what? One vendor is what? Hibernate, right? Means what? Should use, if we want to perform what? Using what is that? JPA, Sun JPA specification, then we have need what? One vendor using what? Using what? One vendor. Vendor is nothing but what, guys? Multiple vendors are there, but famous is one. Hibernate. Famous one is what? Hibernate, right? Famous one is what? Hibernate. With what? with a JPA. Yesterday, the first application we developed, right? Yesterday, JPA. First application, what is that? Using what is that? JPA, right? Like what is that? At the rate entity we are using now? At the rate ENTITY. At the rate what? At the rate what? ID. These are given by whom? JPA means what? Sun people. Sun people is given by these annotations, right? By using this annotation, what we are doing now? We are performing in Hibernate only, right? In Hibernate what? Database operations now, right? So, but what using what is that? JPA using what? JPA full code, right? Full code we should write. We should only write, but what is that now? Data what data JPA is saying that, what data JPA is saying that yesterday we seen that first application, guys. Because of that I explained, right? Because of that I explained that application, right? In the Hibernate we only everything is doing, but what is that in Spring Boot what we are doing, that data JPA reducing code line by using what is that predefined code. It's giving what is that all predefined code, whatever codes are there, those codes, right? Like what data JPA reduce codes, right? Predefined code now. No, data JPA, right? Using what is that? What kind of operation? See, using what is that? Hibernate. What we are doing now? We are writing what is that model class, right? Model class, model class. Yesterday we wrote, right? Yesterday we wrote. So what is that? We should write. We should write that. What is that model class, right? After then what? Another input. What is that? Hibernate CFG we are given, right? Hibernate CFG file, cfg.xml, right? CFG configuration, cfg.xml, right? CFG given using what is that property file. But in Spring Boot, right? In Spring Boot, what is that? This code is in Spring Boot also common only, right? In a model class. But what is that? This Hibernate code, right? Hibernate code configuration. What is that? In Hibernate, we only write, right? We only write. But what is that? But in Spring Boot, right, given in Spring Boot, what given using what? Using what? Property file. Property file. We are just writing this configuration in property. What is that? All things will completed now, right? Key and value we seen that, right? Yesterday we seen that. Again we will see. Don't worry, right? Again what? We will see that. After then what is that? Operation in the Hibernate, right? Hibernate. But 1 minute. Operations code, right? Operations code, right? What is that? Right only, right? What is that? We seen that data JPA repository, right? Using JPA repository, all methods are there in what? JPA repository only. But right, what is that? Only, but what we are doing now? What we are doing now? Just we are writing only one interface. Every method will be there in that method. Whatever operation we have need to perform, like update, delete, select, all those things, right? So write what? Interface. Write interface only, right? To performing what? In Hibernate we have need to write explicitly, but what is that? In the JPA all those things is there, all those things is there internally. Just what? Use it, right? What we have need to do now, guys? We have need to use it using what is that? Sun JPA method, right? Some method is there, right? Sun JPA methods operation, right? JPA in Hibernate. What we are doing now? Just a method I'm giving. Method, right? So like what is that? Persist, right? Persist. Here what is that? Object will be there, right? Object will be there, means what is that? Insert data. This is the insert data, right? Insert data, insert into just in this. Okay, this one, this to performing inserting. Merging means what? Updating the data, right? Merge, obj, right? Merge obj. After then what is that? Removing the data. Remove what? Remove what? Object. Remove what? Object. Now another one is what? Find. Find. So to performing in the Hibernate, what we are doing now, we are writing this method explicitly. But what? In what? In the JPA, all methods are there. Just we have need to use it, guys. Okay, just what we have need to use it now. So what I'm going to do now here, what is that? To persist is there, right? But what is that in the JPA? To save the data in what? Database. To save the data in what? Database. What method is there now, guys? We will see each and everything. Okay, save. What method is there now? Save method is there, right? Save method is there. Inside that, what we are doing now? Object we are passing now, right? After object we are passing now. After then, if you want to see the list of data, right? How many data is there? For that, what is that? Find. What is that? Find all method is there. Just I'm revising one time these things. Okay, guys. Now today I'm going to explain everything. What is that? Collection based, right? How to be store the collection based data, and how one to many to one. Everything I'm going to today explain it, right? Today I will explain each and everything, guys. Be patient, right? Just initial time is there, right? Just initial time is there. Just things is just I'm revising to you people the things. Okay, just when we will start the right word coding, then everything will become what is that easy now. So what I'm going to do now, guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do one normal things today, right? Today first application we are going to start with what? Normally, right? So our what is that normal things? So in the database, just where the my SQL is there. Yeah, I'm opening my SQL, right? Employee, yeah. So in the same application only, right? In the same application, which one application? Where the application now? This is right. Spring Boot first application. Yeah, this one, right? Yeah, yeah, runner. Shall I create a new application? In this application only can I explain it now, guys? Use the chat box. Shall I create scratch level one application, or shall I? Okay. Okay, so no problem, guys, no problem. Okay, no problem. Don't worry. Just I'm going to explain it with the scratch only by because the people previous please new one. Amrani. Okay, new one, right? Okay, good. No problem. So okay, so if okay, let's again what I'm going to do now. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to create the structure diagram only, right? The structure diagram of the application. So what we are doing now, guys, what we are doing now, just what this is what our model class, right? This is what our model class is there, right? In this model class, what is that? Just I'm taking what? Employee only, right? Employee only. Okay. So fine now, guys. So employee I'm taking right here. This is what? Employee. Fine. Employee. This is the employee is there, right? Now what we are taking now, model name plus symbol. I'm taking what is that? Employee. employee, right? In this employee, how many variables are there? One variable, right? I'm taking what? Int, sorry, emp id, right? Emp id int. Okay, after then what is that? Emp name I'm taking, right? This is another one is what I'm taking. What is that? Emp sal, right? Emp sal equal to what is that? Double, right? Double. This is the model class. This is our model class. I want to save this model class in what? Database, right? In what? Database. So for that, what we will do now? Just think about that. This is our database. Please switch off the camera. Who is the on now? Okay. So just think about that. This is what? Our database, right? This is our what? Database. In this database, what we are going to do now? We are going to store this data, right? What we are going to do now? We are going to store this data, right? This model class, if I want to what? I want to store it, right? So fine. What we will do now, guys? So for that, we are going to perform what is that? JPA operation, right? We are going to perform what is that? Using these things, we are going to perform what is that? Using what? JPA, right? Using what? JPA, boot JPA. So for Gajanan, Gajanana, Nan, kuch something, right? Please. Okay, so fine now, guys. So I want to store this what model data in what? In what? This table, right? This table. So what it will become now? If we want to store the data, if we want to store this data, model data inside that one row will become, right? In the date, one table will be there, and this data will store in a one row, right? So to what we what for the JPA is given what is that? Save method, right? Save method by using this save method, it's having what? This model object, right? This model object. But what is that? We have need to perform what is that? Using what is that? JPA repository, right? JPA repository. So what is the JPA repository? Who is the given the JPA repository? JPA repository is Spring Boot. JPA, right? JPA repository, right? JPA repository. Inside that JPA repository, first argument is what now, guys? First argument, this is the interface, right? First argument will be employee. And another one is what? Integer. Another one is what? Integer. What is that? Two argument is there, right? Two argument is there. First one is what? Employee is there. Another one is what? Integer is there, right? How many arguments are there? Two arguments, right? ID. Integer means nothing but what, guys? This ID will be, right? Based on that, it will serialize and it will store in the database. But this interface is given by whom now? This interface is given by whom now, guys? Spring Boot people is given, right? Spring Boot people is given, guys. After 10 minutes, meeting will end, right? uh, 26 member is there. Please maintain the strength. Okay, you are learning the good things only. After if once meeting is end, right, the people, some people are not joining again. I don't know why. Okay, so if be the are don't join only. Whoever serious about that, they are I know that until end the meeting the people are there, but some people is coming like what is that? Here we are opening the movies, but when the people is don't want, they will okay, leave it. Okay, so this is what? JPA repository interface is there, right? JPA repository interface is there. This interface is given by whom? A Spring Boot people is given, right? So if we want to use this interface, what we will do now? We will write our own interface. One interface, just I'm writing what? Employee, what is that? Employee repository, right? This is what? Interface only, right? This is what? Interface. Okay, so what we will do now? We will extend that interface, right? We will extend that interface. This is also what? Interface. We will write our explicitly. If we want to use any predefined things in the Java, what we will do now? We will make the relation between what is that? These two in what? These two interface. What kind of relation we will make? Is a relation, right? Is a relation, is nothing but what? Which keyword we will use it now? Is extend keyword, right? What is the relation between these two annotation? Is a relation is there, right? Fine now, guys. Okay, fine now. So in this, right, in this JPA repository, what annotations, what annotation is there? Save, sorry, what method is there? Save method is there. Be using what is that save method? What we will do now? We will save this model class inside this what? Inside where we will save this model class inside that what in the database, right? Using what interface? At the rate what? At the rate what? Repository, right? Using what? At the rate repository interface. What we can in that JPE repository, which annotation is there now? Sorry, which method is there now? Save method is there. By using save method, what kind of operation we can do it now, guys? What kind of operation we can do it now? We can perform the save operation now. Now clear now, guys? Now clear it now. So, but what we have need to do now? But how our JPA repository interface will perform the database? How our JPA, what is that? JPA repository interface know that in which database operation we have need to perform, Oracle or MySQL or anything else, right? So for that, what it's given, what our Spring Boot people is given, the Spring Boot people is given, hey developer, I will give you what? One property file, application property. What? Application property, right? Using application property, what we will do now? We will write all information about what is that database, right? Database, that is only nothing but what? GNDI registry. If you are learning what is that, yeah, servlet, guys, okay, that is only GNDI registry, right? Data source, right? So data source. So what we will do now? Then Spring Boot people given what? Some predefined keys, right? What is that? Some predefined keys. To write that some predefined keys, using what is that? Those predefined keys, what you have to do now? Pass the database information. What is that? How many properties are there? Let's see that. Okay, first one is what? Spring dot, what is that? A database, right? A database, what? Database driver hyphen dash class dash what? Class dash was name, right? Name. Here what is that? If you are using what is that? Oracle database, give the Oracle driver name. If you are using MySQL, then give the MySQL name, right? Now another one, another property also there. What is the another properties now, guys? What is the another? Spring dot what? Spring dot what? Database. Spring dot what? Database dot what? URL, right? URL. Here we will give the URL. After then what is that? Another property is what? Spring dot what? Database what? Database username. Another one is what? Spring dot what? Spring dot database, right? Database dot password, right? These four property about what? These four property about what, guys? Now what, guys? Now to interact our application with what? Database. For that, this is the connection statement. In what is that? JDBC. What we are saying now, this information is nothing but what? Connection statement now. Okay, guys, so but what we are going to do now? We are using ORM framework, right? ORM framework. Internally what will happen now? Our JPE repository is using what? ORM framework. So for that, ORM internally, which ORM we are using now? Hibernate, right? Hibernate. So what we are doing now here, we will give the for those report those property also in here only, right? Here in the application property. What is those property? What is the those property? Spring dot what? Spring dot what? Spring dot what? Data. Spring dot what? Database. Spring dot database, right? Spring dot database hyphen platform, right? Here what we will do now, in which database we are going to perform the operation? Just think about that, MySQL. Then here we will give the MySQL what? Dialect. What we will go give now? MySQL database dialect. Okay, now another one is what? Spring dot what? Spring dot what? Another property is what? Another property is what? Spring dot what is that? JPA. Spring dot what? JPA dot what? Spring dot what? JPA dot what? Another one is what now, guys? So another one is what? So hyphen SQL, right? So hyphen SQL by default, what is that? True, false. So what we will make that true? We will make it one true. I hope this one. I hope true, false. So I am taking yesterday. I explained. No need, right? It's really need now, guys. Anyone?
uh, that when we compile or run our program, then the query will display in class by
Good,
class,
good,
I think.
good. So the our query will generate on console, right? Now another one is what? Spring dot what? Spring dot what? Spring dot what? Another property is what now, guys? Spring dot what? Dot JPA, right?
Format.
JPA format. Format. Okay, we will not take format. What is the need of format, right? Mandatory. That is not mandatory. This property also not mandatory, right?
Properties.
So another one is what? Another one is what?
Properties does dot hibernate for
Hibernate. Hibernate dot what? DDL dot what? DDL dash what? Auto. Auto. Here just how many proper possibility value is there? Create, update, and create, update,
Validate.
and validate, and another one create and drop. So just I'm taking what? Create. Create it now, right? Just I'm taking what? Create it now. Okay, guys. So fine now, guys. So these property we are taking inside that what these information we are giving the about of what Hibernate and these things for what database information, right? Now after then what we are doing now for the this method is there, right? For this method, right? For this method what we will do now? Just I'm removing here now, guys. So to testing, if we want to test, because in the future, guys, our application will be in the MVC, we will do that. But here what is that? Just a standalone application, right? Just we are doing what is that DAO layer operation, just because of that we are seeing that we are using what console base. Okay, but in future everything whatever things I'm explaining here, guys, each and everything I will use in what MVC. Be prepare, and what you have to do practical. You have to do practical day to day, because when I will enter in the Spring Boot MVC module, I will concentrate on what to explaining Spring Boot. What is that Spring Boot MVC module, not what again JPA. Wherever JPA need, right, just directly I will write the code for this operation. We are doing this one like that. I will tell. So be serious about that. From here onward, you people also do the practical, and you people also get the analysis about that why I'm writing, what is the need, each and everything. If any doubt is there, let me know that I will clarify. Okay,